We just created this in just 2 minutes. Are you ready to learn about a free AI art generator that can create this, or even this by feeding it the right prompts? And here's the deal, it's incredibly easy to use, completely free, and with some basic knowledge that this video will give you, you'll be able to create beautiful pieces of art yourself, kinda. Okay, so the easiest way to access this is using Discord. If you don't have Discord already, you can just head on over to discord.com and simply download it. If you're not familiar, it's like a WhatsApp for communities. Once you fill this out, you have a Discord account and we can get to using MidJourney. Okay, now that you have Discord set up, you need to join the MidJourney server to use this. As promised, it's gonna be super simple. You just go to discord.gg/MidJourney. Link is in the description below. Once you confirm the invite, you just joined the MidJourney Discord server. And this is by far the easiest way to interact with it. All you need to do is go into one of these newbie channels and type /imagine. Now I get to tell it the keywords of what I want it to generate. Okay, so I went with a dragon riding scenario here. And now I'll give it 2 instructions, which will make this result very realistic and detailed. Okay, and one last thing, to get the best results, you have to type --v_4. That tells it to use version 4 of MidJourney, which will give you the best results. Additionally, I also tell it --AR 2:3. This picks the aspect ratio and you have the options of 2:3, 1:1, or 3:2. Hit enter, and now we wait. There you go, wow. Okay, so now you get 9 more options. U stands for upscale. That means if I like one of these, it scales it up to full resolution. And V stands for I like this version, create 4 more like that. And these arrows are you got it wrong, go over again. So I'm thinking version 3 right here is closest to my vision, so I'll just say V3. Okay, not bad. I think number 2 is a winner. So I'll go ahead and say upscale 2. And there you go, you can generate 25 of these for free. After that, it costs $10 a month to get 200 of these, which also allows you to generate this privately as this is public. If I go on this message, say add reaction, and use the email emoji, the bot DMs me the full resolution picture. We just created this in just 2 minutes. Okay, and next up, you might want to check out this playlist with AI beginner content. See you there.